Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Instagram. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Instagram on your device and log in. Once you are at the home page, tap your profile at the bottom right and tap the hamburger menu at the top right corner. On the pop-up, tap Settings and tap Security. Here, under Login Security, tap Password and enter your current password. Once you do that, create a new password. Your password must be more than 6 characters and should include numbers and special characters as well. Next, re-enter your new password and tap the check at the top right corner. And that's how you change your password on Instagram. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.